He is the world's most expensive car cleaner. If you need him to wash your car, it will cost you $8,000. If you purchase this service, he will personally wash your car, and the entire process will take a full week. It is said that cars washed by him are like brand new ones straight from the factory. First, he treats the car body with special waterproof tape, then uses his own developed detergent, which contains citrus extracts and his own secret formula. According to him, the cost of this formula is $500 per kilogram. When he starts washing the car, he also uses water guns with different water pressures for different car models, followed by a foam rinse with foam. Finally, he applies 6 layers of top-grade Swiss crystal salt wax to the car body. Once all these steps are completed, the entire car will look as new as it did when it left the factory. Of course, if you want him to wash your car, you also need to own a car that is expensive enough to qualify.